Hey guys, welcome to MathJoy. In this video, we want to find the value of this fraction. 5 divided by 15 over 15 divided by 5. Are you ready to solve? Let's go and get started. Instead of this fraction, we can write parentheses, the numerator 5 divided by 15 divided by denominator, which is 15 divided by 5. Okay, and now we have two parentheses and one division. According to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and finally A and S stands for addition and subtraction. We first do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right, and the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here first we have to do this parentheses, 5 divided by 15. We can write 5 over 15. And here we have divided by 15 divided by 5, which equals 3. Okay, so we have 5 over 15 divided by 3. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction, which is 3 over 1. We can write 5 over 15, then times 1 over 3. Now, 5 divided by 5 gives us 1, and 15 divided by 5 gives us 3. So we have 1 over 3, then times 1 over 3. And this is equal to 1 times 1 gives us 1 over 3 times 3, which is 9. So therefore, our final answer to this problem is just 1 over 9.